In the silence of space, a blue world turns, our home. Where light meets the sea, beauty finds its reflection. Where mountains touch the sky, silence speaks. In the endless silence, life finds its way. The sky itself becomes art.
Faith hangs on the wind of the Himalayas. Born of love, timeless as dawn.
A river of stone, flowing through time.
Stone remembers the hands that shaped it.
The sky guided their stones and their souls. Echoes of glory linger in stone.
Arms open to the world, spirit in stone.
Where the clouds kiss the ancient stones.
Life moves with the rhythm of dust and sun. Grace and power in perfect balance.
The lungs of our world breathe in silence. In a drop of rain, a universe awakens.
Beneath the waves, life blooms in silence.
Gentle giants drifting through dreams.
Even in ice, life finds warmth.
Freedom rides with the wind.
Strength wrapped in silence.
Fire, the first artist of Earth.
Heaven and earth become one, a reflection of eternity.
Every wonder, every breath, one story called Earth.